As the Maiden Students Week program organized by Maryam Abacha University of Nigeria, MAAUN, entered its third day, a novelty match was played between MAAUN Nigeria, Kano students and MAAUN Niger Pioneer students. The football match, which is part of the activities lined up in the week-long program, was played at the Ibrahim Usman Yakasai Sport Complex on Wednesday evening, 7th September 2022, and ended 4-3 against visiting team MAAUN Niger Pioneers. Among the management staff that watched the match include President of MAAUN Professor Muhammad Israr, Vice President Dr. Habib Abubakar, and the Director of Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noura Ayaru. Others were the Vice President of MAAUN Maradi, Dr. Shaibu Usman Tanko, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Musa Lawal Jibia, as well as other principal officers of the university. Similarly, a brief biography of some renowned icons was presented by some selected students from the 4 schools. The renowned icons include the Nigerian's former head of state, late General Murtala Ramat Muhammad, former Vice President of the People's Democratic Party's presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, Minister of Communication and Digital Economy Professor Isa Ali Pantami. Others were former first black president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, the first prime minister and president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, former president of Burkina Faso, Thomas Sankara, the renowned humanitarian lady Rekiatu Hassan Musi, and the late Hausa singer Hajia Magajia Lambata.